Getting paid promptly is the lifeblood of any business, especially for freelancers and small business owners. You've poured your heart and soul into your work, and now you're waiting for that crucial payment to land in your account. If you're using FreshBooks, a popular cloud-based accounting software, you're likely wondering, just how long does FreshBooks take to process those payments? As an accounting software expert, I understand the importance of clear and predictable payment timelines. Let's break down the FreshBooks payment processing landscape, making it easy for anyone, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, to understand how and when you can expect your hard-earned money. FreshBooks offers several convenient ways for your clients to pay you, and each method comes with its own processing timeframe. Understanding these differences is key to managing your cash flow effectively. 1. FreshBooks Payments, powered by WAPI, the integrated solution. FreshBooks has its own integrated payment system, aptly named FreshBooks Payments, which is powered by WAPI, a Chase company. This seamless integration allows your clients to pay invoices directly online using their credit cards, debit cards, or even ACH, automated clearinghouse, transfers. This is often the most convenient and fastest option for both you and your clients. Credit and debit card payments. When your client pays via credit or debit card through FreshBooks Payments, the processing time is generally quite swift. Typically, the funds will be deposited into your connected bank account within 1 to 3 business days. This timeframe can vary slightly depending on weekends, holidays, and the specific bank involved, but it's generally a reliable and quick way to receive payments. ACH, bank transfer, payments. FreshBooks Payments also supports ACH transfers, allowing clients to pay directly from their bank accounts. While often incurring lower transaction fees compared to card payments, ACH transfers generally take a bit longer to process. You can typically expect these payments to land in your account within 3 to 5 business days. This extra time accounts for the verification process between banks. Key advantages of FreshBooks Payments. Seamless integration. It's built right into FreshBooks, making it incredibly easy to set up and manage. Faster processing for card payments. Generally offers the quickest turnaround for credit and debit card transactions. Convenience for clients. Clients can pay directly from the invoice with just a few clicks. Automatic payment recording. Payments are automatically recorded and matched to invoices within FreshBooks, saving you valuable bookkeeping time. 2. Stripe integration. Another popular choice. FreshBooks also integrates seamlessly with Stripe, another leading online payment processor. If you have a Stripe account, you can connect it to your FreshBooks account and offer your clients a wider range of payment options. Credit and debit card payments via Stripe. Similar to FreshBooks Payments, credit and debit card payments processed through Stripe and integrated with FreshBooks typically take 2 business days to be deposited into your Stripe account. From there, the payout schedule to your bank account will depend on your Stripe settings: daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Key advantages of Stripe integration. Wider range of payment options. Stripe often supports more international payment methods and currencies. Customizable payout schedules. You have more control over when Stripe transfers funds to your bank account. Advanced features. Stripe offers a robust suite of features that some businesses might find beneficial. 3. PayPal integration, a widely recognized option. PayPal is another popular payment gateway that integrates with FreshBooks. Many clients are familiar and comfortable using PayPal, making it a convenient option to offer. PayPal payments. The processing time for PayPal payments within FreshBooks depends on your PayPal account settings. Typically, funds received via PayPal will appear in your PayPal balance almost instantly. However, transferring these funds from your PayPal balance to your linked bank account can take 1 to 3 business days.